Here we show you how this worker masterfully applies plaster. From modern and smooth styles to classic and easy techniques. There are many different types of wall textures to choose. This worker is creating popcorn texture, the most well-known one. Popcorn wall and ceiling texture became popular in the 1960s during the housing boom. This type of wall texture was an easy way to hide any imperfections. Which made it attractive to builders. Sluiterkärdig shower is a modular system for constructing floor-level showers with ceramic tiles. It makes work easier for everyone involved in ceramic tile installation. These construction systems guarantee an excellent final finish. And avoid damages in the laying of ceramic floor and wall tiles. To install the shower, this worker uses the kärdig shower tee, the kärdig drain and kärdig kollel. The surfaces of the slope boards already have the necessary slope to the drainage points. The sluiterkärdig collar is bonded to the large trapezoidal perforated, fleece-coated adhesive flange of the thin bed attachment. As a sealing connection to the composite waterproofing. The sluiterkärdig kollel is a two-component sealing adhesive. Based on a solvent-free acrylic dispersion and a cementitious reactive powder. Poroton bricks are an exclusive product from Wienerberger, made from the four elements of fire, water, air and clay. They have already received several awards for sustainability and healthy living. Such as the Eco label from Eco Institute in Cologne. And the environmental product declarations from the Institute Bauern and Umwelt. The wall formers quality for KfW subsidized efficiency houses. Up to plus energy houses due to excellent thermal insulation. A brick house offers natural protection against electrosmog. Studies have shown that the brick absorbs more than 90% of the radiation. Bricks also regulate moisture and ensure a comfortable room climate and dry walls. to create a stone finish on the exterior wall. This worker uses a combi plaster joint to apply different types of plaster and create the effect. He first outlines the design to get an idea of the final shape. Before starting covering the joints with white plaster. It doesn't have to be perfect, as natural stone walls have an irregular pattern. He uses a grey, smoother plaster for the joints, as it will look like mortar, and then evens it to control the final volume of the wall. The plaster for the stones is lumpier, creating a realistic rock look. The top lead prevents the material from falling off. While also allowing quick access and control of the amount of material inside. It's important to prevent the new plaster from covering the earlier one. Once dry, he scrapes the grey plaster to create a natural looking joint. After drying, the yellow plaster has created the lumpy look of rocks, but in a more affordable and easy way. It only takes a few steps and days if you take into account the drying time. Wood floor installation requires a level subfloor and that your hardwood flooring is acclimated to the room. Prepping a plywood subfloor is crucial for hardwood or laminate floors to last. For your first row, you'll want the straightest planks, arranged with the tongue side facing the center of the room. The space between the wall and floor that allows the wood to expand from heat and humidity. Countersink the nails with a nail punch and fill the remaining hole with matching putty. On the next row's row, lock the tongue and groove and tap them together with a mallet. The flooring nailer requires room to work, so it can't be used until 2 full rows have been installed. On the last row, cut the pieces to fit, measuring the distance from the wall to the board.